Welcome everyone and welcome back to Jasmy update, and we are looking at Bitcoin that is probably making some very good move. And as far as I can show you Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is trying to break out of this some sort of a falling wedge that I saw, and I've talked about it for quite a long time. And if you break out of it and you hold it and you try to pump back up to this all-time high right there, that would be amazing. Now by the time that Bitcoin makes its way back to this resistance, because if I zoom out for you right there, you got that is resistance right over here, this resistance right over there. Try to go back up, you're going to make another third resistance, and if you break out of it, that will be huge, really huge. So by the time you can make it up here, if you do actually end up back testing this little bit of a break right there, then that's when I do believe that Jasmy might end up also pumping back up to its resistance as well. So Bitcoin goes to its own resistance, Jasmy follows along and goes to its own resistance as well. That's my take at the moment. Monday has started, new week is off. The weekly for Jasmy is okay. The candles are showing some doji, which is some decisive candles. The daily time frame is also pretty much okay to me. I don't think there's any issues with the daily. It's pretty much holding the support line right there. Once again, this is not a bear flag. Even if it looks like a flag, it's not in play. Okay, that is something that we're not looking for to play out. And that's it for this very quick update right now. Just had a very quick comment about it, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.